So I just wanted to get something straight. You took one of these because you were told to, and you wore one of these because you were told to. You endured lockdowns because you were told to. Didn't see family and friends because you were told not to. Even though our kids' mental health was going through the roof, but that didn't matter. That wasn't worth defending because we were told to do these things. Yeah? Over the past 2 years, our human rights have been stripped away from us. And we've ignored deaths from an experiment. But you didn't defend that because the media told you not to. The media told you those lives didn't matter. And now we've got adults virtue signalling the shit out of the Russia-Ukraine situation. And now you're all for love and peace and humanity and freedom. I stand with Ukraine. No, you don't. You don't stand for fucking anything. You didn't even defend your own freedoms and the freedoms of your children when we needed it the most.